All right, if you don't know, my name's Nick. I live in the Catskills. I do a lot of work on the truck, working in the shop, working in the house, that sort of stuff. Quick tip videos. If you like that, subscribe. I bet you'll be happy. This is about this emblem right here. If you watched my video on all the stuff I have to install for my Ram 2500, this is a 2021. I said that I was going to try and take these OEMs and paint them because it was a lot of money, these things. It was like 160 bucks for the pair. It's a lot of money. And I said I wasn't going to pay that much. Well, I happened to find a listing on Amazon for 100 bucks. I'll link it in the description. That was just cheap enough for me to do it. And I picked them up. Now, the quality is not bad. That one over there is good. This one over here is lifting up a little bit. Now, it doesn't have the clips. This OEM one is solid as a rock. You can see this. It's got clips everywhere. It's got 8 clips. 3 at the bottom, 3 at the top. 1 on either side. These on the side, I don't remember. I don't think they're on this one. This is just some double stick tape and a couple of clips. That's it, just a couple of clips. And it's lifting up on this side. That one's good, but this one is lifting up. I'll give you a close up of it. The tape really doesn't want to hold. I believe it has to do with the heat of the engine that made it release and maybe even warp a hair. But we are going to try and fix this, hopefully, if I don't break it while getting it off. I'm going to try and fix it with some VHB tape, which is serious. If we can do that, it should hold. So let's take this thing off. I'll show you the inside. And maybe, hopefully we can fix it. That would be nice. It doesn't look terrible, but, you know. If you got the tape, you might as well use it, right? All right, let's get started. Yeah, looks like I got 1 clip damaged here. Fortunately, it's in a good spot. All right, I'm just removing this foam. And we're going to replace everything with VHB. The whole thing. We're just going to come in here and VHB the entire thing. And I'm not really too worried about cleaning it off like this stuff. Yeah, I could get in here with a wheel, which I do have, but I don't think it's necessary. We're just holding a piece of plastic on. It's not going anywhere. I mean, that's VHB stuff. I mean, you could, once this thing is on, you could grab this thing by the 5 and lift up the whole truck. That's how freaking strong that stuff is. Let's get the tape. A roll like this is like 15 bucks, maybe, something like that. I think. Ooh, that's not good. It's good to have around, honestly. It's 1 inch wide. Obviously, we don't need 1 inch. And let's cut it in half. So this is 1 inch, so I'm cutting it into 2 half-inch strips. This is stuff sticking to the pair of scissors. Man, this is not easy to work with, this stuff. Last one's really giving me some problems right now. Ooh, I think I got it. All right, take that off, take this off. Let's pop this thing back in. Now this thing says 20 minutes. I'm not holding this thing for 20 minutes. That's for damn short. But I would say that if you leave this thing, well, it's stuck. yeah. This thing is stuck on there and it's looking good. It's not popping out, and I'd only held it on there for 10 seconds or so. And I'm going to leave the truck in the garage overnight, so we shouldn't have a problem. It says 20 minutes cure time, like working cure time. I think like permanent is a lot more. Maybe it's I don't even know, 12 hours. I really don't know. I just remember the 20-minute part. Seemed like it's going to be good though. I don't think there's going to be a problem here. VHB tape, I mean, people use that to stick paneling on campers. It is super strong. I'm not worried. Now, can I recommend, if you have a 2500, to buy this for $100 if it's not going to work? I don't know. Maybe. If you have some VHB tape, just in case it happens, then you're in great shape. It could be a fluke. The other side worked fine for me. No problem. I stuck it, and I had no issues. And this one really didn't even look that bad, honestly. It's a little popped up just a little bit. I like the way this looks better, for sure. That one pops up over there. VHB in it, totally. And I like that I removed all the adhesive and just did VHB all around. I think that's the right move, especially if you buy a big roll like this. Other than that, that's it. I mean, clearly, even if you have to buy the tape and these, it's cheaper. This was $100. I'll link them in the description. I'll link this in the description too. This is $115 versus 160. These things are 160, and I bet you it's the same ones, honestly. So hopefully they're still available. I should have double checked that before the video, but I'm gonna link to the one that I bought. It might be out of stock. It might come back in stock, or it might be in stock now. I don't think that many people order these, but that's it. I'm happy with the way this fix worked, and I'll see you in the next video.